The newly appointed parliamentary chief whip of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Mamabato Mokoena Zondi, says she is ready to turn the page after being declared of wrongdoing by party president Jacob Zuma. Mokoena Zondi, who also serves as MK Party's whip in the National Council of Provinces (NCOP), had been under scrutiny for nearly a year following complaints lodged by several party members. A police investigation was opened, but a source close to the matter told the IOL News that the case has since been closed. The source cited Zuma's intervention and what were described as procedural flaws in the party's disciplinary process. Breaking her silence, Mokoena Zondi said she intends to focus squarely on her parliamentary responsibilities and said, "I was cleared by our party president, Jacob Zuma, of any wrongdoing and just want to focus on our mandate of serving our people in parliament." Her remarks comes after Zuma upheld her appeal against a disciplinary inquiry that had recommended her expulsion from the party. In a formal letter, the MK party leader pointed to alleged irregularities in handling of the matter, arguing that the outcome was inconsistent with an earlier directive issued under his authority. According to the letter, the expulsion decision directly contradicts an earlier directive under my authority, which withdrew all charges against Honorable Mokoena and nullified disciplinary actions. Zuma ordered that Mokoena Zondi be reinstated with immediate effect as the MK party's chief whip in the NCOP. He further directed that her reinstatement be recorded as legally binding and that it supersede any prior disciplinary rulings. In addition, Zuma instructed that her access to official communication platforms and parliamentary resources be restored without delay and that the expulsion decision be declared null and void. While the internal party dispute appears to have been resolved, the decision does not automatically extinguish any criminal processes that may arise independently of the party structures. For now, Mokoena Zondi's political future within the MK party appears secured, with Zuma's backing reaffirming her standing in the party's parliamentary leadership. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.